In this video, I'll show you two easy ways to take a screenshot on an iPhone 17 or 17 Pro, including the classic button method and a hidden feature most users don't even know exists. So the basic way to take a screenshot is by pressing the volume up and the power button at the same time. So you'll click both of these simultaneously, and the iPhone will take a screenshot of whatever you have on your screen. But what if your buttons are broken, they don't work, or you want a simpler way of taking a screenshot? Then you'll want to open the settings page on iPhone, then click on accessibility right here. Once you're on this page, you'll want to select this touch option, which is located under the physical and motor section. This page has a bunch of settings, which we can customize, but our job is to find the back tap feature, which is at the bottom of this page. Then select double tap, and you'll see a list of different actions which we can perform by double tapping the back of our iPhone like this. I'll select the screenshot option, and that's about it. When you want to take a screenshot on your iPhone 17, just double tap the back of the screen, and that's essentially it. Those are the two ways of taking a screenshot on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro device. Thanks a lot for watching this video.